Welcome back to our channel, where creativity and technology converge. In this video, you're gonna see how can you create a WordPress website using Midjourney, ChatGPT, and Adobe Photoshop. Starting by Midjourney, in order to get a beautiful smoothie cup image that we're gonna edit using Adobe Photoshop so we can use it in our landing page as a background. And then using ChatGPT to get some useful text content and font which will make our landing page more attractive and convincing. 1 minute before starting this video, we have an exciting news to tell you. WebTips have released an ebook called 4 Essential Strategies. It's made for those who own WordPress websites or just interested in website sphere. Packed with tips and tricks, you can download it right now on our website. Check webtips.me for more. And if you liked it or you liked this video, you can support us by donating for our cause. We appreciate you and we appreciate your help. So without further ado, let's get started. At the beginning, I need a background for our landing page, so to get it, I asked Midjourney to give me a website's landing page design for a smoothie shop that looks fresh and modern, pink background, inviting web design, advanced UI UX design, surrealistic, clean design, 8K quality, design 0.5, and an aspect ratio of 16:9. And just right here, I increased the level of design with 0.5. And I got this beautiful, tasty, and fresh smoothie. Look at that pinky mousse. I wanna dig in. I love it. Now, I need to edit that image given by Midjourney in Adobe Photoshop in order to put it in our landing page as a background. Let's do this, guys. After that, we're gonna use ChatGPT to give us a title for our page, a text description, and a button text, then a suitable font for a Smoothie Shop landing page. Let's do this. Once we've done that, we're gonna put everything together in WordPress and create our stunning Smoothie Shop landing page. As you can see, I already installed my tools, which are WordPress, Astra theme, Spectra, and Gutenberg plugin. It's so important because I'm gonna use them. So if you wanna see how to install those tools, make sure to watch this amazing YouTube video available in WebTips channel. And now, let's build this landing page. Now we have a beautiful stunning pinky landing page with a small readable menu, an attractive title, a text description, and a very good green CTA button, which brings freshness to the website because of that clear green color and shadow, and a wonderful smoothie cup with a beautiful pinky mousse with a sort of splash which gives vibrance to the website. That's a tasty smoothie to die for, let me tell you. And that's how you transform an image given by Midjourney to a beautiful smoothie shop landing page. That's it for this video. Don't forget to check out our website webtips.me and download our new released ebook. And if you like this video, you can support us by your generous donation. Thank you and see you on the next one.